Recently at Google I/O, Google announced a lot of features and including the improvement of BARD, their AI, which is not bad like the name. But today I have a crazy idea in mind that I think it's better if we do it. So I'm going to let BARD AI create an entire game for me, and I'm not going to do anything but just input the prompt and copy and paste. So because I'm a developer, the first step is to switch to dark mode. Oh, now that's looking like a crazy BARD. Let's get started. Don't know, a game is simply just a game. Yes, it's just a game, and it is supposed to be interesting. Bear in mind that I'm a developer and I barely made a game. The last game I made was very shit, and you can check it out yourself. But today we are going to make my game better. So let's try. It's going to be built with HTML and CSS plus JavaScript canvas. So the game is a running game like Flappy Bird, but this time it's running on the ground, and when you press spacebar you're supposed to jump over obstacles, right? Good. So let's get this started. This is the prompt. Okay, create a running game which jumps over obstacles with HTML and CSS JavaScript. Let's go. Alright, BARD is BARDing the object. Ooh, pretty quick. So here we go. Let's do the copying. This is the HTML, but first let me open quotes and let's check our game, and boom, ladies and gentlemen, this is the game BARD gave me.
Oh my god.
I see just a white cube in the background, and the action does nothing. I just copy and pasted the code that gave me. Nothing is really happening. So I think BARD is really messing things up here, because clearly the prompt that I gave it's not supposed to be this, and this what is giving. So let me make it more with content. So create a running game with JavaScript canvas that jumps over obstacles, and make it run at auto, so automatically it should run. If it collide with obstacle, it's game over. And use HTML, CSS and JS, and let's see what it does. Okay, now it's using canvas, and it has linked the script for us. Let's do the copy and paste as usual, because all programmers does copy and paste. Okay, here's the JS. Hope this works. And then I think we should remove this one because it expects us to. Yep. And then F5. Good. So this is the game, and then
wait, what?
Come on, BARD, you are really bad at creating games.